In this tutorial video, you will learn how to send system file changes back to the system. When the Sharing Files option in the Data menu is clicked, the layer to be added to the map is added to the map in the panel that appears. Adding, editing, and deleting are done on the layer. To update these changes in the system saves, Send Back to System option from the Layer options in the Layer box is clicked. The relevant geometry is displayed on the map with the Display button in the incoming panel. Cancel button will undo the change made to that geometry. If there is geometry added, it is deleted. A deleted geometry is added back to the layer. If it's an edited geometry, the geometry is reverted. The saves in the system are updated by sending the relevant geometry back to the system with the Send button. The changes made to the layer can be undone and returned collectively. All applied geometric changes are undone with the Cancel All button. The Send All button sends all geometric changes made within the layer to the system. After this process, a status report is received. Thus, sending process can be controlled. Thank you for watching us. Don't forget to follow us to be updated for recent developments. You may continue to next tutorial video.